room. You can control everything right here. There's lighting control, closet, powder room, and room temperature. We have something like this in where? I think in Milan, the Armani Hotel. Here, you can control the temperature. Curtains, of course, TV, and basically almost everything you need to change. And right, Dad? Hi, Dad. And here's the... It's all locked. I can't open. Okay, except for this one. And let's go check out the view. Oh, the bar is open. Yeah! Cheers. Water naman yan. The newest way to drink. But guys, it's fake. It's water. Booking. Anyway. Hi. So let's see what they have here in this beautiful bathroom.
Look at the lovely view. There's so many boats.
Where?
There, come here. There's many boats sailing.
Oh yeah.
Also cruise ship.
Do you love it?
Yeah.